But we come back to the Pharisees because the neighbors are trying to figure this out. Is this appropriate? Is this right, what has happened? To the Pharisees, now listen, as they wrestle with this man and what has happened, this is important. To the Pharisees, their Sabbath regulations were more significant than a man who had received his sight. Their Sabbath regulations were more important to them than a man who now does not have to sit by the side of the road for the rest of his life begging for alms to live. They see him as less important than their religious rules. Jesus sees a blind man who needs sight and salvation. We asked this question at the beginning of the sermon: where do we find ourselves inside of this story? If I'm a follower of Jesus Christ, this is an incredibly important point for me. Do I see other people the way the Pharisees see other people, or do I see others through the eyes of Jesus Christ? The Pharisees' perception of another individual, a man who had just been healed, their perception begins with who should be excluded from our religious circles. Their religious world is one of purity and attainment, and few in the end really actually make it. Jesus' view of this man, the gospel's view of this man, is to see his need and to know how the power of Jesus Christ can meet that need and change that life. Does that make sense?